I could get you 1 million impressions for $1,000 if you have a good video. We know for a fact that videos are very, very cheap forms of advertisement on Facebook, on YouTube. I mean, I could get you 1 million impressions for $1,000 if you have a good video, and it works because you get the targeted audience's attention for 60 to 90 seconds through these videos. This is why we love e-commerce videos. Some of the brands that we know, like Dollar Shave Club, they actually got popular and sold a lot through a series of videos, right? And so we do product videos, and we believe in the power of video. This happens to me all the time. I'm a Facebook buyer. If you got a product that I'm interested in and you prove to me that that's a quality product, I won't go to Amazon to search for a product on Amazon. I'll buy it on your site. And we see this with our own campaigns as well. Yes, your brand searches increase significantly on Google and on Amazon, but also if they can't find it on Amazon, they're gonna come back and buy it from your site. So a lot of e-commerce businesses are pushing these kinds of video ads on Facebook and building tons of traffic to their websites. So if you are not selling on Facebook, if you are an e-commerce business and you don't do videos for your products, you gotta start today.